By now, you've probably already seen Adobe Generative Fill. In this video, I just want to give you a closer look at what Adobe Generative Fill can or cannot do. Under your Adobe Creative Cloud app, go to your beta and you can see Photoshop beta and install it. So I'm here in Photoshop and I have a number of images downloaded from Pexels. So I'm here in my first image. I'm going to select my lasso tool. Let's try removing this dream statue, whatever we call it. I'm going to include the shadow parts right here as well. And you can see automatically you have the generative fill option here selected. You're just going to click it without a prompt and click generate. So depending on how complicated and how big your image is, it's gonna take some time for it to generate the fill. And on the properties, each time it generates, we have three options. I just want it removed, but it has given me extra objects. So I'm going to click generate again and get another three variations. Okay, so this one is good. I'm going to click Command Alternate Shift E to stamp everything. It's called stamp visible, and I have everything on one layer again. I'm going to select this person here, including the shadow, and click Generative Fill again without a prompt. And this looks good. You can see the variations create something different for the background over here. I'm going to stamp visible again. And what I want to try is to add a cyclist in the middle of the scene. Click Generative Fill and prompt for cyclist. And let's see what Adobe Generative Fill can do. Okay, so this is quite below expectations. Let's click generate again and see if it gets better. Okay, so right now I have 12 variations, but as you can see, none of them are acceptable. Let me hide this and let's try another prompt here. Maybe you can put a person here and see what generative fill does. A man walking. Okay, so this is slightly better than the previous cyclist variation. Oh no, it's just weird. Like the face is just not defined. The hands are quite bad. Let's generate another few more options and see how it goes. Okay, so most of these are just not that great. As you can see, the face is not defined. The hands are just a block. So I would say for an image like this, for whatever reason, as far as we can go is to just remove certain objects from the scene. But in terms of adding objects, it's still got a long way to go. So here's our second image. What I want to try is to remove or change this woman's clothing. Let's try woman in blue dress. Okay, here I have 12 variations. Let's take a look from the first one. So this one is maybe slightly acceptable, but you have very badly generated hand here. The skin tone seems to be quite artificial, too smooth. Second one, the hair is quite strange over here, coming over the hand, the arm, which is also very weird over here. And generally, the rest are quite bad. As an extra hand, I'm not sure what's going on here. This dress, nope. The hand as well. And the hand again, yikes. Okay, and the hand again, and let me see, the dress not that great as you can see. Let me try to generate the same thing but without a prompt. Okay, so again here I have 12 variations. This is no, kind of weird. There's something wrong with the body shape and the other hand is just missing. This is slightly passable, except something is strange going on around here in the hand area. Oh, this is just weird with the hand as well. This one feels maybe slightly passable, except something wrong with the shoulders. And over here, the body is a bit strange. This one, the hand and the other arm as well. Maybe overall the body and the arm as well. The hand. This one is something wrong is going on with the hand. Holding something. This one may be possible, except the hand is also weird. Slightly possible, except for the other hand here. It's just something strange going on with the upper body here. Through the arms, you can see the skin is overly smooth. And this one, maybe slightly possible. So let's try going with this one here, and let's stamp visible. Let's try this. Cut the hand out with the rolls. Let's generate a magic one. Okay, again we have 12 variations that I generated. Let's start with the first one. The hand is weird. Ooh, no, there's too many fingers here. This one, not sure. The thing about this is that I thought I would expect better results because I did try this particular one a few days ago and it turned out quite convincing. Unfortunately, today it's not as great. Maybe this one, but the hand is still like mushy up and lack the detail that you expect. Let's move on to the next image here. Okay, for this one, let's use the crop tool. Click on both sides, hold down Alt or Option, if I'm not wrong, for Mac. Then Control click to select the middle, Control Shift I to invert my selection. And then I'm going to click Generative Fill. No prompt. And then let's see what it gives us. And here we have 12 variations again. Let's go through them one by one. This one here. What is that? Wait, hold on. What is this? No idea what this is. It's a bit strange. This kind of doesn't make sense. This one as well here. Not that great. Just a lot of strange artifacts going on, like a mashup of stuff, but you can't really make out what it actually is. Same for this, and okay, maybe this one, but it still feels weird to have this. It's like not constructed properly. Let me try increasing the size on the top as well and see what they can come up with. So here we have the first one, second one, third one, and as you can see, it's still have the same issues where they create stuff that just don't have enough detail or kind of make sense in the scene. Something that looks like boat, but they just look like some random object meshed up together in the water. Same over here for the buildings area. This one maybe, but the way the buildings are drawn up, not convincing. The strange thing about this was that I did try this a few days ago also, and it seemed to have given better results previously. Let's just go with this and let's try birds in the sky. Oh my gosh. A flock of birds flying in the sky. Okay, slightly better, but they are too big here. This one maybe, this one also maybe, but they still feel like they're a bit too big. Let's move on to the next image. I have this man standing, and let me lasso out his top. Let's give him a blue blazer. Okay, we have 9 options here. The first one is white, so it's a fail. The shirt is blue, so maybe passable, but there's something strange going on around this side. The hand is almost there if you hide it in a pocket. The second one, oh, the hands is just weird. This one maybe passable. The collar can be fixed. This side over here, not that great. So the hands for this. This one maybe. Nope for this. No for this. No for this. And no for this. Let's try removing the prompt and see what it generates. Oh my gosh. What's that? Nope. Nah, it's just, what is this? The option 2 let me select the whole person except his head and maybe give him a blue suit. Okay, here we have 9 options and no good. Weird. Something going on around here. Now the hand is weird. This one, the hand as well. Let's see if we can find something passable. Nope. No. Nope. Oh my gosh, so crumpled. So what I think is going on is that the pose that this guy has is just a bit too strange or weird that Adobe's AI just haven't figured it out yet. I have another image here. Let's give this a shot. So I'm going to do the crop thing again, then my image up and down. So this one seems to be a lot better. We have 6 variations. I think it's probably because it's trees and bushes and grass, plants, things like that, which are a lot more random compared to trying to generate a person's hand, body, clothing. This one over here. Okay, let's say we go with this one. Let's try adding a waterfall on the right side. Okay, here we have 6 variations and I wasn't expecting this. So I thought it would be like a nice stream on the side and some waterfall flowing and recreated. So it's not what I was expecting. Even this one, it seems to lack that water splashing around. So maybe we go with this one. And by the way, it's taking really long to load because I think the image is super huge after we extended it. So I don't like any of them, so I'm gonna remove it. Let's try something else. Putting a bear in the bushes here. Bear. Why are all the bears black though? Can I have a brown bear? Okay, Here we have a brown bear. Okay, something... Oh, this one is weird. Oh, the face is weird as well. Thought we could get better results because I also tried this before. Why is the face so weird? Okay, this one is slightly passable. Maybe this one doesn't seem to fit. The colors are off just a bit too yellow. Okay, that's it for Adobe Generative AI. Maybe we'll check in again a few months' time when they further develop their model.